Happy birthday to you, my beautiful wife, Ugoeze Liberty Chinyerem Liberty, double queen, queen of Igbos in Ghana, and the queen of our people in Ghana, and the queen of your village, Nanatetua II. I, your husband, His Royal Majesty, and our royal children, and all the Igbos in Ghana, we wish you happy birthday. Today, 24th of August, mark the day you came here on earth. We pray that the Lord will strengthen you. The Lord will lift you higher. The Lord will bless you more. May the Lord provide all that you need that you are using to feed humanity. We love you. We pray that you celebrate festivals, you celebrate good things, you celebrate birthday, you celebrate life till over 100 years above on earth. We love you. Give the liberty. Everybody says God bless you and God will keep blessing you. Happy birthday, my beautiful wife. I love you. God bless you.